Okay, another quick thing on the Discovery build. What I'm doing now is I'm wiring up these flickering white 5mm LEDs that will be for the engines. Got these quite a while ago, and they will give a nice engine effect. I use the flickering LEDs for the impulse engines on my TOS builds, so this will have a nice look for these as well. Let me set this up real quick. And I'll put a resistor at the end. I'm going to put the resistors in here in the main engine compartment, so I have little to no wiring issues to contend with. Okay. So I'm going to set it in like that so that the LED is just behind that little thing there, instead of putting it on the front side and pulling it back, which I thought about doing initially. Instead, what I'll do is I'll secure it in place right behind like that, and that'll hold her very well. I've already pre-tested this. And it, well, oh, I'm going to have to change that. I just realized I'm going to have to move these up higher because the support peg on the back of the engine is going to come up into here to fit that cavity, so I'm going to have to move those up. Dang it. Okay. Hey, this is what you get for thinking you're going to just immediately get this right the first time. So I'll take this insulation off and reheat the wire. And move those up. Live and learn. At least I realized it now instead of after I'd secured everything. Other than a little snafu like this, I'm really enjoying this kit. It's actually going together very quickly, and I like that. Well, I don't think you want to sit here watching me take insulation off. But then again, maybe you do. And just let the camera keep rolling on that. Just got into the aftermath of the Battle of Chickamauga on the Civil War that I'm watching. Now they're to the part where Sheridan is going after the rebels up into the hills. Now that Grant is in command and everything's finally turning around after Gettysburg. Okay, so what I need to do is take these wires up much further. Let me get this gunk off. Okay, that's not going to go as easy as I wanted it to. So I'm going to have to trim these anyway. Okay. Really like this wrapping tool. Are you not going to go on there because of gunk? Okay. Well, then I will just manually wrap that. Okay. Got some more insulation. Remember back in late March and then throughout almost all of April, all the electrical supplies and everything started running really low and shelves were barren at the local electrical place, place called Fry's Electronics. They still haven't really recovered from Trump's trade wars, and it was so hard to find the shrink wrap because Fry's always had it in gobs and gobs, and then all of a sudden it just was not around anymore. There we go. Okay, so that's how that piece is going to lay in there, and the wires will fit through the hole that I drilled for the stem. That'll be the support stem in there. And let me grab a resistor. Only left there. just, is it, here we go. I'll show you what this looks like. Let me strip that into the red here. Okay. Strip the ground. Lay that in there. Oh my god, just go in there, will you? Slot it in there before. Of course, it's not going to do it while I got you guys waiting for me to do this. Okay. So see that nice flickering effect. And then I've got the clear engine cover. Okay. So that'll look really good. Wonder how much comes through on just the standard piece that comes with the kit. Yeah, that'll be better coming through on the clear piece. So there we go. Like that. But I want to get that set just right so that it's not cattywampus at all. So I'll get that glued into position instead of just resting into position. Yeah. Okay. Well, there you go. Another quick update on things. Thanks.